Hello children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to discuss about first class maths, the chapter subtractions. So children, in the previous class already we have learned about the subtractions in a horizontal way, and the subtracting a 0, subtracting 1, subtracting the number before. So these are the properties of subtraction that we have already discussed in the previous class. Today we are going to learn about the vertical subtractions. So children, today we are going to learn about the vertical subtractions. So children, let us see the vertical subtraction. So here we can see the tomato picture. This is a picture of a tomato. So here we can see children, how many tomatoes are there? 3 tomatoes are there. 1, 2 and 3. So the first number is 3. 3 tomatoes are there. Minus 1. So we have to subtract 1. That means, subtraction means we have to take away. Subtraction means children, we have to take away. So we are taking away 1 tomato. So they told 1. So 1 tomato we are taking away. So remaining how many are there children? Yes. If we have taken away 1 tomato from the 3 tomatoes, so the remaining how many tomatoes are there? Yes, there are 2. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Is the same as the vertical addition. So here already we have learned in addition also. So the horizontal addition or the vertical addition will be the same. Is the same as the subtraction also. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and here the same subtraction in the vertical also. So here also we are keeping the 3 tomatoes in a picture. 3 are there. So 3 minus 1 we wrote in a vertical form. This is from left to right. The horizontal form we wrote. So left to right also will get the same. And from when we write in the vertical form also we will get the same answer. So here if you see children, so we made our tomatoes also in a vertical form. 3 tomatoes, 3 minus 1 we did. So here we kept the symbol minus. In addition we have to use the plus symbol. So here we are taking the minus symbol. Subtraction. This is a subtraction children. So we have to keep a minus symbol. So minus symbol. 3 minus 1. So from the 3 tomatoes we are taking away 1 tomato. So we removed it. So we have crossed out the tomato. So we crossed out the 1 tomato there. So 1 tomato if we cross out, here we can see the remaining 2 tomatoes. Okay children, so the 2 tomatoes. 3 minus 1 also is equal to 2. So when we see here also 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. And here when we do in the vertical subtraction, that answer also the same. So this is the same as in addition. So in addition also we do the same. So from left to right if you do the addition also the same. And from the vertical also if you do the addition also the same. So same as like that in subtraction also. So from left to right that will be the same, and from the vertical form also will be the same. So children, let us see some more examples of it. So here we can see children the pictures. So for each and everything here we have a picture. Here we have a ball picture, leaf picture, flower pictures and the mangoes. The different pictures. So let us see. So the first number, what is the first number here children? The 4. So 4 balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls are there. Now minus 2. Minus 2 means how many we have to take out now? So we have to take out the 2. The 2 balls we should remove. So we have to do the cross out. If you do the cross out, 1, 2. So 2 balls are crossed out. Now how many balls are there remaining? 1, 2. So 2 is the answer. So if you do the enough finger also the same. So take 4 fingers. 2 fingers we have to take out. That means 2 balls. 2 minus 2 they wrote. So 1, 2. So the remaining are 2. So here I wrote the answer 2. Let us see the next one. So here leaf picture. So how many leaves are there in a box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here how much will be the number? The same. Picture also be the same number. So 7. Here also the 7 is. Minus 5. That means 5 leaves we have to take out. The second number. So always from the big number, the small number we should remove. So 5 minus 7 we can't do. 7 minus 5 only we must do. Because 7 is a big number. From the big number only we can subtract the small number. So minus 5. So 5 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 leaves we have taken out. Remaining how many are there, children? 2. Here we can write the answer 2. So if you took the 7 fingers, 5, 6, 7, 7 fingers, 5 fingers we have to taken out. So 5 fingers have removed. So how many are there now? 5 fingers if I fold means remaining 2. So 2. Okay children. Next, coming to the next one here, 3 minus 2. Take, here we have the big number 3. So 3 flowers are there. Minus 2. That means 2 flowers we have to take out. So 1, 2. Now remaining how many are there? Only 1. So here we will write that 1. Okay children. Now the last one here we can see children. 9 minus 3. So here the mangoes are 9. 9 mangoes. And the 3 we have to take it out. So 1, 2, 3. I have taken the 3 mangoes. So remaining how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Here we have the subtractions by crossing out. The subtractions by crossing out. So children, in this way you can do the subtractions. All of you open your textbooks children. I hope all of you understood these subtractions now. The page number 112. The page number 112 here vertical subtractions. So already they have given a picture for you. So you no need to worry about the picture. They have drawn the pictures. Just you have to count the second number. How much will be the second number? So you have to carefully, you have to cross out that number. So you have to cross out that many pictures. So the remaining, how many are left? That pictures if you count, then easily you will get the answer there. Okay children, I hope all of you understood. This page you can do it children, all of you complete in your textbook. The page number 112. All of you write neatly and slowly, cross out the pictures also very neatly. So I hope all of you understood this vertical addition, vertical subtraction children. Here just now we have learned about the vertical subtraction. So by crossing out the pictures. The same vertical subtraction children here, but just here the small little change we have. Now here we have to draw the lines and we have to cross out in the subtraction. So the first number how much will be there? So that many lines we have to draw and then we have to cross out in a subtraction. So here we can see children the same in a vertical subtraction, the same. So we have to write in the same form, the vertical subtraction. So just we have to draw the lines and we have to cross out for subtraction. So to do the subtraction, just we have to cross out. So we only have to draw the lines. So here we don't need to draw the picture children. So the vertical subtraction, so that what we have discussed in the previous class. So just now in the previous class. So there we have already the pictures are there. Just we have to cross out the pictures. So here we don't need to cross out the pictures. Here the pictures are not there. We have to cross out the lines. We only have to draw the lines and we only have to cross out the lines and we have to show the subtraction. How to do the subtraction. So here we can see children, the first one, if you see one example, then it is very easy. The first one here they have given a number for us in a vertical form. Already they have given a number in a vertical form, that is 6 minus 2. Okay children, 6 minus 2. So here how many lines they have drawn? 6 we have to draw. So how many lines we should draw? 6 lines we should draw because the first number is 6. The second number lines we don't need to draw. In addition, we have to draw the second number also. So all together we have to count in addition. That is in addition. But in the subtraction, whereas in the subtraction, what you have to do is just the big number. How much will be that? The first number, the big number, that many lines if we draw, that's enough. And the second number, how much will be there? That many lines we have to cross out. Means in subtraction we are taking away. Okay? Taken away. So we have to cross out. Okay children? So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lines I have drawn children. This you don't need to check about this. The big number only. Here the place is not sufficient. So we can write here. So 5, 5 we can keep it children. Below 5 means it is easy to sufficient there only. But above the 5 means can't sufficient here the big line. So we can make it down here the second line. So here we can see children the 6, the 5 I have kept here, the 5 lines I have drawn. And the one more line 6. Here the number is 6, so one more line I have drawn here down. So 6 are there. Now what should we do? The second number minus 2 they give. So we have to cross out 2. 1, 2. So 2 lines I crossed out. Now how many are left there? So how many the remaining lines are left? That is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many are left children? 4 lines are left. This is the answer. 4. So easy na? So how much will be the number? That many lines we have to draw. Second number how much will be there? That many lines we have to cross out. That's all. And the answer will be the remaining lines are left there. So what are the lines are left over there? That will be the answer. So here the 4 lines are left over here. So that is the answer. So let us see the one more. So here 4. 4 lines I have drawn there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1. 1 line we have to take it out. So 1 line I crossed out here. 1 line I crossed out. Remaining how many are left over there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the answer. Just like that. So very simple no children. So let us see here also one more example. 8. The big number is 8. So lines also must be 8. How many lines you have to draw now? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay children? 8. Now the next number how much it is? 4. So 4 lines you have to cross out. Okay. Let us start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines I have crossed out. Remaining how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining also 4 are left there. So 4 will be the answer. So here 10. So here the first number is 10. So how many lines you have to draw? Yes, 10 lines we have to draw. So 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 lines are there. Now the second number is 6. So we have to cross out 6 lines there. So let us do children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slowly you can cross out the 6 lines. Remaining how many are left there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here will be the answer 4. So I hope understood children all of you. It's very easy. So next the remaining 3 more we can do children. Here I have drawn. So 5. The first number is 5. So 5 lines are there. The second number also is 5. Okay children? Second number also is 5. So how many lines we have to cross out? All the 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many are left there? Nothing. So 0. Nothing means 0. No lines are there. So 5 are there. All the 5 lines we crossed out. Now how many are there? 0. Nothing. So nothing means we have to take it as a 0. So in the previous class we have already learned about that property, that is if you do the same number, the number from itself, if you subtract the number, same number from itself, then what will be the answer? 0. So here the same number, if you subtract 5 minus 1, it is 0. So here we have completed children. The next one you can do. So here we have done the 7 minus 2. So 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 and 6 and 7. 2. Total 7. Now 2. 2 means 2 lines we have to cross out. So the last 2 lines I am crossing out. Okay children. So the remaining how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So here we can write the answer 5. Now the last one here we can see 9 minus 5. So here I have drawn the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 lines I have made there. I have drawn the 9 lines. The second number here they have given a 5. So 5 lines we have to cross out. So let us start, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 lines I crossed out. So how many are remaining? How many are left over there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 lines are left there. So 4. So here we have completed the vertical subtraction by drawing lines and crossing out the lines also. So the page number 113 in our textbook. So here we can do the remaining sums. So in the same way. The first 2 lines they have given an example for you. They have already drawn the lines. For the next sums, they did not give the lines. So you have to draw the lines. So in the same way. How much will be the first number? That many lines you have to draw. And the second number, how much will be there? That many lines you have to cross out. And the remaining lines, the left over the lines. So that lines you have to count and you have to write down the answer. So here you can complete in your textbook, children, the page number 113. So all of you can complete in your textbooks very slowly and neatly, children. So in the same. So I hope all of you understood the vertical subtractions by drawing the lines and crossing out to subtract. Thank you.